Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President and a co-chairman of the Street Dance Competition. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating Street Federation President.
Sa ating Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Elemenor Suwi, sa ating Director General, Ma'am Cristina Ataide, sa mga Sangguniang Bayan members na present po ngayon, SB Panchito Cua, SB Vicente Perez, SB Bayani Agustin, and SB Pilar Cabacuan, at sa ating pong mga dignitaries, sa ating mga judges, sa ating pong lahat, magandang umaga po. Una-una gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga dancers dahil in the span of 2 months, mapapatunayan ngayong araw at magbubunga po lahat ng mga sakripisyo, mga paghihirap at pawis na inyong inilaan para makapag-perform po ngayon. At sa ating po mga barangay officials, maraming salamat din po sa inyong mga suporta para sa ating mga dancers, ganun din po ang ating mga SK chairmans at sa SK councils. Naway maging masaya po tayo sa pag-iiwan po natin ng street dance at mag-enjoy po tayo at maraming salamat.
Federation President. Jeffrey A. Rivera, Chairman, Street Dance Competition. Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Jeffrey.
Miss Amazing Sasa. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na po sa ama ng ating bayan, Honorable Adrian Leandro Quicho. Andito rin po ang ating Vice Mayor na kasama natin palagi sa mga ganitong mga okasyon, Honorable Lelamen Ramel Soinco. Andito rin po ang ating hands-on na Director General, Ma'am Cristina Agustin Ataide. And andito rin po yung ating mga Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Bayani Agustin, Honorable Panchito Empua, Honorable Vicente Perez III, Honorable Pilar M. Cababungan. Andito rin po ang ating SK Federation President, Honorable Frances Medina, and our Miss Luna 2024. Dito rin po siya. And of course, ang katuwang po palagi sa mga patimpalak po na ito, ang ating budget officer as well as our culture officer, Ma'am Agnes Kiambao. And of course, yung mga SK chairman po natin, department heads, deputy officials, municipal officials, parents, contingents, students po, mga bisita po natin, and of course, huwag po natin kalimutan yung ating mga Board of Judges na siya pong titingin kung sino po yung mga mananalo po mamaya. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta, sa pagbibigay po ng time para sa patimpalak na ito. Pagkakaisa, kultura at tradisyon, pinagtibay ng 75 taon. Ayan, napatunayan na po ang bayan ng Luna ay palaging nagkakaisa, hindi lamang po during fiesta, kundi po nakikita natin na matibay po ang pundasyon po talaga ng pagkakaisa at pinapakita po natin ang kultura natin katulad po ng mga patimpalak na ito, yung street dance and street dance competition natin ngayong araw na ito. So, mag-enjoy lang po tayo sa lahat po ng mga contingents, choreographers, at yung mga sumuporta, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga barangay officials, yung mga kapitan po natin, yung mga SK chairman po natin, para po isupport ang ating mga anak sa patimpalak na ito. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng working committee na bumubuo ng street dance competition na ito. And lahat po kayo mag-enjoy, sabi ko nga kanina, and I welcome you all to the 75th founding anniversary Street Dance and Showdown Competition. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, maraming salamat, sir. And we stay here na and let's go back to work. Ayan. And now, to introduce to us our members of the Board of Judges, may I call in Mr. Kevin Charles B. Paredes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to present to you the panel of the Board of Judges. Our first judge is heading from the Curiada Festival of the Municipality of San Manuel, Isabela. Please welcome Mr. Rex C. De Los Reyes. Our second judge is all the way from the Balatong capital of the Philippines, celebrating the Balatong Festival, Municipality of San Mateo, Isabela. Let's join our hands for Mr. Aladin S. Rumbawa. And to chair the judging for today's event, all the way from the ideal city of the North, celebrating the Gawa-Gawayan Festival. Please welcome Miss Noraline P. Aquino. May we invite our chairman of the board to present to us the criteria for judging.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning po. So, we have here the criteria for judging. First, we have the choreography, which is 40%, execution, 40%, appearance, which includes your costume, is 20% for a total of 100%. So, all the contingents, good luck. Mabuhay kayo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Diba? Ganyan talaga ang street dance. Hindi nawawala ang choreography. Pati sa mga kapwa ko LGBT, maraming choreography. Okay? So at this point in time, let us now give a warm applause to our Director General, Madam Cristina Agustin Ataide, for her message.
To our dearest Municipal Mayor, Honorable Adrian Leandro Pitio, to all the Sangguniang Bayan members headed by our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Lelamen R. Soyco, Madam, to all the department heads, unit heads, and municipal employees headed by our Municipal Administrator, Attorney Janeline Yadao Castillo, to all the punong barangays and officials headed by Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Noli P. Tamayo, to all the Sangguniang Kabataan Chairmen and officials headed by Honorable Frances P. Medina, Ma'am, to our Budget and Tourism Officer, Ma'am Agnes Kiambao, to our Chairman of the Street Dance Showdown Competition, Sir Jeffrey Rivera, to our newly crowned Miss Luna 2024, Erica Niel Ramones, competing clusters, proud parents, esteemed judges, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Hindi lang tayo swerte, kundi blessed talaga ang ating Diamond Anniversary Celebration sapagkat bisita natin ang ating napakasipag na vice-gobernador at ang ating senador na ang bisyo ay servisyo, si Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo. Big thanks for gracing our grand 75th founding anniversary. Indeed, it was a stroke of fortunate serendipity. Kagaya ng ating tema ngayon, taon, pagkakaisa, kultura at tradisyon, pinatibay at pinatatag sa loob ng 75 taon. Luna and its people, we, the Lunanians, are no longer neophytes, for we have hurdled countless difficult encounters towards our diamond year, but just like diamonds, it will never be formed until exposed to extreme heat and will not shine the brightest without polishing and putting immeasurable amount of friction in it. Today, as we come into one purpose, showcasing talents and in street dancing and dance showdown from different clusters and barangays, we are proving na lalo pa nating pinatatag ang ating mga kultura at tradisyon. At alam natin marami pang hamon ang darating sa ating hinaharap. Ngunit makakaya natin ito sapagkat tayo ay nagkakaisa upang lampasan ang lahat ng mga ito. As your founding anniversary Director General at sa ngalan ng Municipal Government ng Luna Isabela, maraming salamat sa inyong napaka-solidong pagtitiwala at napakaalam na pagsuporta sa lahat ng ating mga activities. Good luck sa lahat ng mga choreographers and dancers. Ipakita natin ang tunay na galing at tatak ng umaabante Luna. Happy 75th founding anniversary na imbag na bigat kay Ako Diyos kumuyog kada tayo amin.